Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as the title says, today we are going to talk about the December Glamigo box. It is a beauty subscription box for 399 rupees per month. And what is special about the December box, as you can see, this looks like a Santa kind of a vibe because of Christmas obviously. So yeah, this is how this month's box looks like. Since it is a Christmas special box, for this month you are going to get you can actually refill 4500 rupees worth of products for 399 for the Glamigo December box. And it's a limited it's a limited version, so you have to grab it before it goes out of stock obviously. And some other fun facts about Glamigo are it is India's #1 beauty box, and it has 1 lakh plus customers all across India. That's fabulous. And on occasion of Christmas, Glamigo is providing a refill of your favorite products, and as I mentioned, you can fill up your box with up to 4500 rupees worth of products. Try our they have makeup, they have fragrance or mini size makeup, which are great for travel. I believe that mini size makeups are always good to try new products. Also they also have skincare, and they have masks or scrubs, and obviously they will provide samples to try as well. Wow, this is surely going to make a lot of our Christmas very merry. So make sure to avail this offer before the products go out of stock. I think it's a fabulous deal, and the box is also so cute for this month. I really am loving the whole Christmas vibe and the cute Santa. So let's just go ahead and open this box and see what is inside. Here, first thing when you open is you see a card, and it says here refill your favorites up to 4500 worth of products, 4500 rupees worth of products for 399. It's a limited edition palette, and again it just tells you all the things that you can buy, all the categories as I just mentioned: makeup, fragrance, mini makeup, skincare, mask or scrubs, and samples to try. And here I do have quite a few products, so let's just dive right into it. So the first thing that I see is this is the Inveda BB cream. So this is the Inveda BB cream, and it retails for 150 rupees. And this also has SPF of 20, and it is paraben free, and it has a seal, as you can see. So it's nice. So there you go. So this is the BB cream. It has SPF 20, and it just blends right into the skin. Beauty boxes are a good way to keep trying new products which otherwise we might not know about, or which we might not be inclined to try. But in these boxes you can get surprised and find something you really like. And one such thing I am seeing here is Monsub's Crystal Collagen Eye Mask. This is a gold eye mask, and I'm totally loving this. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to use this. I think this is good, especially for winter times. It is going to hydrate the under eye area. Surely going to try this. And third thing that I have is Votre Jelly Radiance Mask Glitter and Glow. This looks nice. I'm sure this is going to be a cool product. Oh my god, this looks so cool. I'm sure I'm going to love this. This one is a Skin Smoothing Radiance Boosting Wash Off Mask with natural AHA for post facial results, all in one jar. Looks like a really great product. The next thing is this Acne's for Pimple Protection Pimple Defense Face Wash. Methanol Cool controls skin heat plus removes excess oil. So I have dry skin, so I might not particularly use this, but it will be a good one for someone who has oily skin. Last but not least, I have this Bella Voste Ulti Matte Lip Contour Set. This looks amazing. I think it has 2 products, like it's a set, so I'm assuming they have 2 products. Oh yeah, they do have 2 products. One's a lipstick, one's a lip liner. I have enjoyed Bella Voste's lipsticks in the past. I think in Fab Bags I have tried it. Oh wow, that's a beautiful red. Let me just quickly swatch the lip liner and the lipstick for you guys. Wow, the lip liner also glides really smooth. So the lip liner went on very smoothly, and wow, the lipstick is also very pigmented. I'm sure I'm going to, you know, use this combo very soon and share it with you guys. And yeah, this one is in the shade Inflamed, and this one is in the shade, the lipstick and lip liner both are in the shade Inflamed, so that is also good to know, like the lip liners and the lipstick go hand in hand with their names. So yeah, that is all that was in my Glamigo box for 399 rupees. I think that's quite a steal for getting so many products. Make sure to go and check out the Glamigo website and order your favorite products before they go out of stock. So this cardboard box it came in is so cute. I'm definitely going to use it for the Christmas decor around my house as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel, guys. All the details about the box and where you can buy them is going to be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And if you like this makeup look, I'm going to link the video for that also below if I have already uploaded it. If not, then it is going to be the next video up. I don't know the schedule, but thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.